Tools panel overview প্রথমেই এতে রয়েছে selection tools, selection, direct selection, group selection, magic wand, lasso. বিতে রয়েছে drawing tools, pen, add anchor point, delete anchor point, convert anchor point, line segment, arc, spiral, rectangular grid, polar grid, rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star, flare, pencil, smooth, path eraser. Type tools: type, area type, type on a path, vertical type, vertical area type, vertical type on a path. D. Painting tools: paintbrush, mesh, gradient, eyedropper, measure, live pen bucket, live pen selection tool. এতে রয়েছে reshaping tools, rotate, reflect, scale, share, reshape, warp, trail, pucker, plot, scallop, crystallize, wrinkle, free transform, blend. F. Symbol tools: symbol sprayer, symbol shifter, symbol scruncher, symbol sizer, symbol spinner, symbol stainer, symbol screener, symbol styler. Graph tools: column graph, stack column graph, bar graph, stack bar graph, line graph, area graph, scatter graph, pie graph, radar graph, slicing and cutting tool. Crop area, slice, slice select, eraser, scissor, knife. I. Moving and zooming tools: hand, page, zoom. এ হচ্ছে আমাদের ইলাস্ট্রেটরের টুল পরিচিতি।